Okay.
Ew, it looks like you got crack all over your face. It's brown.
If you need to, just spit it out, man.
Does it taste worse or better than turtle food? Worse? Better? It's alright. While you're eating cinnamon, I got yummy chicken noodle soup. You fail. You failed.
You failed, man. You failed.
If it smells like cinnamon iron house.
Is there a reason you're doing this outside this window?
What? No.
What did you eat this time?
Cinnamon.
A spoonful of cinnamon. It's like a
Casper
toss point or something. Do you want some soup? Nasty.
Man, I hope this gets on Web Soup. Or Tosh, I don't know, man. Tosh is awesome. Dude, you freaking failed.
Turn the hose on.
That was a lot.
Oh, perfect. Go turn it on full blast.